So I'm just gonna do a quick video on my oil catch can setup. So it's pretty a simple way to do it. There's a little bit of work involved. It's basically you take the cover off and sort of, as you can see here, drill the holes here just under this little fitting that I'm putting into now. Just let it breathe, and you get a fitting welded to the top there, and then from there it goes into the catch can. And then from the bottom one down the bottom behind the turbo, just put a line from there straight to the T-piece, and you can either get a fitting made up to put here, or I just put a cap on it for now, but I'll change it later on. I just don't have time to do it right now, but this sort of works, just a little blank off bung. And then once you've got that in there, that's basically it. So it just relieves the pressure, helps with the blow by as well, because you've got it coming from the intake to the catch can, and then from this T-piece down to the bottom there. And it's pretty much never had an issue with it. I only get a teaspoon of oil after a track day in there, so I know it works. And I've had this for quite a while now. You can get these little catch cans. A lot of people make them now. They go behind the strut tower, or you can put it wherever, but this is a good little spot out of the way. I wouldn't mind if it sat a little bit lower, but I'll keep it for now. It still works. So yeah, that's the overview of my catch can setup.